If we want again to analyze the source code of Xpdf, we can use sourcetrail. In that case, it's a bit different respect before because we don't have the CMake file. So to create the compilation database, we need another tool that helps us to generate this database. The tool in question is Beer. That is basically a tool that generates a compilation database during our make process. To install the tool, it's really easy. Usually it's included in your package manager. So for example, on Ubuntu, you can just use apt install to install it. Then we can clean our directory first. So we do make clean. We run again configure, like we did before. And now we can again make it, but before we have to specify to use beer. Of course, we can use again the J option to use all the cores. Now that we have our compilation database, we can import it in sourcetrail like we did before. So we open sourcetrail, we create a new project, we specify the project name, for example, Xpdf, we specify the folder, okay, and we add the source group from a compilation database. We select our database, and we click create, and we start the indexing. As you can see now, we have much more files respect the previous exercise. So we can start our exploration, for example, from the function category. We select the main, and we see that we have 5 different mains in our source code. This is because Xpdf, once we compile Xpdf, we generate 5 different binaries. So we generate 5 different tools, like the PDF to text that we used before. So we can explore one of the main. And the first thing that we see is that at the beginning of the main, it's called the function parse args. So basically, we can click on it, and we can see that the same function it's used by all the mains. This is a bit different respect to what we saw in the previous exercise, because in the choose color function, the input was taken directly using the cin and cout C++ functions. Instead, in Xpdf, all the parameters are parsed as command arguments. And this will change a bit our fuzzing command. You will see it later.